Action buttons in Noloco are designed to streamline workflows by automating repetitive tasks. They enable users to perform specific actions or a sequence of actions directly on records, ensuring efficiency and reducing the chance of errors. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about action buttons, including their functionality, configuration, and practical applications. Action buttons are an essential feature in Noloco, allowing users to interact with records more efficiently. For example, think of a real estate app where agents frequently need to update property details. Instead of navigating through multiple screens, a single action button can allow them to update the status, add a note, or even trigger an email to a client, all with a few clicks. These buttons enhance productivity by integrating tasks into one seamless interaction. Action buttons can be placed in various strategic locations in your app to maximize usability. You can place them in the record page header. This is ideal for actions users need immediate access to, such as updating a record or navigating to a related page. By placing action buttons in the header, you ensure the most important actions are always visible. You can also place them within record page components. These are perfect for tasks tied to specific sections of a record, or you can use them as collection action buttons. Found in tables or lists, these buttons let users perform actions on multiple records at once. For example, they can select several properties and mark them as sold, saving significant time compared to updating each record individually. Here are some of the many use cases for action buttons. With action buttons, you can update, create, or delete data effortlessly. Whether you need to add new information, make changes to existing details, or remove outdated records, these actions cover it all. You can redirect users to related records, external resources, or different sections of your app. For instance, an action button could take users from a property's detail page to a contract signing page. You can also trigger automated processes, like sending a follow-up email or generating a report, with a single click. Additionally, you can simplify data entry by scanning items like inventory barcodes and automatically linking the data to the relevant records. By combining these actions, you can create a tailored experience that minimizes manual effort and enhances overall efficiency. Before adding action buttons to your app, it's important to understand the two execution types available and when to use them. One-click action buttons execute the defined action instantly. They are ideal for straightforward, low-risk tasks like navigating to another page or adding a quick comment. Modal action buttons, on the other hand, prompt the user with a confirmation model before proceeding. These are best for actions that require verification, such as deleting a record or triggering an irreversible workflow. The model provides additional context with a title, description, and optional markdown formatting to ensure users fully understand the action they're taking. The choice between these types depends on the level of interaction and confirmation you want to require from your users. To add an action button to your app, switch your app into build mode. Navigate to the specific record, header, or collection where you want the button. Look for the action buttons section at the bottom of the record's properties and click the plus icon to add a new button. Once you've added an action button, you can customize its appearance and behavior to suit your needs. Here's how. Use clear labels like Mark as Sold or Trigger Workflow to ensure users understand the button's purpose. Assign colors such as green for success or red for danger, and add an icon for visual clarity. Decide whether the button will execute actions directly, one click, or display a confirmation modal, and it's as simple as that. These are just a few of the ways you can customize your action buttons. While they might seem like a small feature, they bring significant power and functionality to your workflows. Action buttons in Noloco provide an elegant way to reduce repetitive tasks, minimize errors, and improve user experience. By strategically placing them in record headers, components, or collections, and configuring their actions to suit your needs, you can create a highly efficient workflow for your app's users.